Welcome. Today, let's talk about how you can prevent Roblox from accessing your contacts on your mobile device. Protecting your personal information is important, especially when using popular apps like Roblox. By following these simple steps, you can make sure your contacts remain private and secure. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is the main place where you can control how each app on your device behaves. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through your app list until you find Roblox. Tap on the Roblox app to open its settings page. Here, you'll see several options that let you manage how Roblox interacts with your device. Now, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This section shows you all the different permissions Roblox has requested, such as access to your camera, microphone, and most importantly, your contacts. Find the contacts permission in the list and tap on it. You'll see a few options for how Roblox can access your contacts. To keep your information private, select Don't Allow. This will block Roblox from accessing any of your contact information stored on your device. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Roblox from accessing your contacts. Taking a few minutes to adjust these settings can go a long way in protecting your privacy while you enjoy your favorite games. Remember, you can always review and change app permissions whenever you want. Staying in control of your personal data helps keep your online experience safe and secure. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips to keep your digital life private and protected. Happy gaming!